So now we're going to launch this coin live and we're going to see how this does. So what we do is we open Pump.king. I'm going to leave a link down below. I've chatted with them, and with my link you can get 10% off. There's no other link that can get that much percentage off. So with my link down below, we then go to this bundler. We press launch, create new token, and then what we do first is we add the funds to our fund wallet. So we go into the wallets. As we see here, we go to our fund wallet, copy that, and we send it on our Phantom. So if we go back into wallets, we can see that I've funded it with 10 Solana. So 10.0001 Solana. Then what we do is we top up the dev wallet. The next step is to top up the developer wallet. This is a wallet that's going to actually stand as a creator of a coin. With a dev wallet, we don't want to buy in with that much. So let's say 0.4. So now that I've sent to the dev wallet, all we need to do now is top up with the buy wallets. Now these are all the wallets that are going to buy. Now I'd recommend, depending on if you're going to buy them with a lot amount, then I'd recommend creating 16 wallets, 13 wallets, a large amount. But if you're only going to buy them with 4 or 5 SOL, then 8 wallets may do. It's really up to you. So all we're going to do is distribute what's left and leave a little bit for gas fees. So we're going to look over, this is how much each wallet is going to buy them with. And yeah, I think that looks quite good. So we're going to press confirm. Okay, we're now ready to launch a coin. But before that, I just want to say, join my Telegram. It's going to be linked in the bio. I provide free information for people who want to earn money rug pulling. Okay, so launch. Bang, click launch. Create new token. Let's call it the daily scam. Ticker scheme symbol, daily. Description, okay, awesome. Let's use that image. Yep, so copy that. Copy the X account, no Telegram, and use the Daily Mail account. Okay, so we're now going to buy in, and let's see what happens. We can see it here. Okay, so the coin's now at 11k. As you see, we can buy in here. It's all of this block is where we bought in. Then a couple of people bought in with 1.6, 1.2. So if we're actually to refresh, we can see yes. You can see that we had 9 Solana. We had 9 something Solana before, and now we've got 10.5, almost 10.6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell the developer, see if that does anything. Okay, so we've sold the developer, and as you see, if we go to 1 second time chart, what we see is that there's actually, okay, we can't see it, but as we see here down below, after selling the developer, someone bought in with 1.2. So if we actually go back and we look at the coin, we press refresh, what we can see now is that we're going to probably be able to sell it for a profit. So if I press sell all, now remember, we're going to see in this chart here that it instantly dumps. Now this is why it's great to have a tool. As you see, with P&L pops up here, 15.3%, we just got 1.5 Solana. So in 6 minutes, we just made around $400. And this is very, very easy to do. Like you saw, it took me 3 minutes to create the logo and 6 minutes to rug pull. And this is quite a long rug. People are buying in quite slowly. So this really just proves that it doesn't take much. All you need is a tool